Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable watermark for your Vivo Y15. So let's take a look how to do that. For example, you are taking a picture and you want to enable your device model watermark, or you want to enable date and time watermark. For example, if I go near my device, if I'm going to capture something, for example, I'm going to take a picture of this, and if I go see the picture, there is not enable any date and time or my model watermark. So if you want to enable this, for that you have to go on your device, this click here this setting icon, and then if I for example I want to enable time watermark, so I'm going to click that, and now I'm going to click take a picture. And now if I go that picture, you will see there is appear the time watermark. That's really quite interesting. Now if you want to enable also enable model watermark, you can go this same setting icon and you can choose a model watermark. Now if I'm going to take a picture, now I will see in the same picture there is a model watermark, and then there is a time watermark. So what is this? If you want to take enable or disable watermark, you can easily choose this, which is if you make it just invisible, it will be invisible. If you want to enable, you can easily choose this, it's going to appear enable. So this is how you can easily enable model watermark and date and time watermark in your Vivo Y15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.